In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate cards in Trello. Duplicating cards in Trello is a simple yet powerful way to save time when managing tasks or projects. Whether you want to reuse an existing template, replicate a task for a different team, or simply keep consistent formatting, Trello makes it easy to create a copy of any card. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of duplicating cards using two different methods so you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's dive in. To get started, open the card you want to duplicate by clicking on it directly from your Trello board. This will bring up the card's detailed view, where you can see all its content and settings. Once you've opened the card, look over to the right-hand side of the Details view there. You'll find an area labeled Actions. In the Actions section, locate the button with 3 dots or lines. This is often called the More menu. Go ahead and click it to open up additional options. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Copy. This will bring up the Copy Setup window, where you can customize your new card. Now it's time to make the new card unique. In the Setup window, you'll need to enter a name for the duplicate card. This could be as simple as adding copy to the original name, or you can give it a completely new title, whatever makes sense for your workflow. Next, choose where the new card will be placed. First, select the board where you'd like the duplicate card to live. If you're staying on the same board, you can leave this as is. After that, pick the specific list where the new card should appear. For example, you might choose the to-do list if this is a new task, or the doing list if it's something already in progress. Once you've selected the list, you'll also need to set the position of the new card within that list. You can place it at the top, at the bottom, or even in a specific spot in between other cards. Before finalizing the copy, you'll have the option to decide which elements from the original card should be included in the duplicate. You can choose to keep things like checklists, attachments, and labels intact. Simply check the boxes for the elements you want to carry over. If there's anything you don't need on the new card, make sure to uncheck those options. When everything looks good, click the Create button to finish duplicating the card. That's it. Your new card will now appear in the board and list you selected, ready for you to work with. If you prefer an alternative method, you can duplicate a card directly from the board view without opening it. To do this, hover your cursor over the card you'd like to duplicate. Then, right-click on the card to bring up a context menu. From the options in that menu, select Copy. After selecting Copy, you'll follow the same steps we just covered to name the card, choose its board and list, set its position, and decide which elements to include or exclude. Once you've made your selections, click Create, and your duplicate card will be ready to use. And there you have it. Duplicating cards in Trello is quick and easy, whether you're working from the detailed card view or directly from the board. Now you can save time and streamline your workflow by reusing existing cards in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.